Explain myself.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Saucy how to cut up to you. Yeah.
Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakari back with another video, and today, wait, that's not even my intro. Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shakari back with another video. You're not new here. No, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, you already know what the fuck going on. And today in this video, it's going to be a summer diaries, another summer diaries video. It's going to be a day in my life edition though. So today is currently, I don't have my phone, but today is currently the 22nd of July, and I think it's around like 11 o'clock. Y'all know I'm putting it on the screen though. And my friend Jessica, y'all probably seen her in my videos a couple times. She planned a beach / lake day. So right now, I'm currently like getting ready and stuff. Okay, put the other one on, please. What other one? Oh. Yeah, currently getting ready right now. We're not in a rush or anything. So yeah, so basically what I have to do, I want to try to leave the house before 12:30, and then I have to pick my best friend up, but she finna get left, like for real. I called her, why the freak did I call her at 11:30 and or 11 something, it was one of those, and she's still in the bed. Mind y'all, the lake / beach we're going to is almost like 40 to 50 minutes away, and you still in the bed. Girl, I've been up since 8 o'clock this morning. But yeah, y'all, so boom. So basically what I have to do is, once I leave the house, I need to go to the liquor store because Jessica said that we have to bring a bottle. Nope. Yeah, so Jessica said we have to bring a bottle, and then we're going to go to get something to eat because she said food and drinks are limited, and he's just gonna get in my camera like that, but hey. But yeah, she said food and drinks are limited, so we finna get something to eat. I'm gonna get Chipotle. What you gonna get? Wendy's. Chicken nuggets, yo. And then yeah, we finna have fun today at the beach. Let me show y'all my fit. Back up. This is my fit. So I got this bathing suit from Shein. It comes with like shorts, like the bottoms are like boy shorts. I don't know if y'all can see, pretty much. And then I have these shorts from Shein as well. Necklaces, let me show y'all what it look like. Necklaces, ooh, don't mind that y'all, but necklaces is from Shein. I have some bracelets from Shein. I have to put some more on, but bracelets from Shein. I got some anklets. Don't look at my toes. Wow, my toes are cute. So yeah, and then let me show y'all. These are the sandals I'm wearing. They're just some pink and white polka dot. Real cute, real simple, very TA. Okay, so right now we just about to chill.
Where?
Right now we just about to chill until it's time to leave the house. But not for real, y'all. So yeah, we just about to chill until like 12:30 and stuff, because technically I'm ready. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to tell y'all, I also need to go to the Beach Spice store as well before I pick up my best friend's house. Before I go to my best friend's house to pick my best friend up. I'm going to do the hairstyle where they put the little scarf over their hair, you know, type shit. Because I ain't gonna lie, this wig is getting old. And if you know me, I don't wear wigs. I'm a leave out type of bitch. So I don't really know how to maintain a wig. So yeah. So I'm gonna just do the little scarf hairstyle and stuff. So I'm gonna keep the band on because it's gonna be hot outside, and just so my shit won't be sliding back while I'm at the beach. Like I might accidentally And the wig gonna come with the scarf? No, because we still trying to keep the wig on, babe, until like I want to go get it reinstalled. I'll probably go get it reinstalled like next week or something. But this is the wig. I got it from TikTok shop. If y'all want me to put the link on the screen or in the comments, let me know. Let me know. Okay, but let's be for real. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna just see y'all when I'm in the car going to the liquor store. And yeah, y'all know a girl is 21 now, so I can go to the liquor store by myself. Bye. Hey guys, so we just left the house. Currently at the store getting gas. So I kind of told y'all the rundown already, but I'm gonna tell y'all again. So boom. So first we about to get gas. Ooh, hold on. Okay. So first we're gonna get gas. They don't know how to drive. First we're gonna get gas, and then once we get gas, we finna stop somewhere to get me and my boyfriend something to eat. I think I'm gonna get Chipotle. He's gonna get Wendy's, and then did it turn off? Oh shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get Chipotle. He's gonna get Wendy's, and then after that we're gonna go to a beauty supply store to get a scarf for my head, and then we should be on the way to my best friend's house to pick her up. Hopefully, pray to God that she's ready, because the place I actually need to see. Let me actually see right quick. I don't know where I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm gonna set y'all up right there. The angle might be bad, but we just gotta see right quick. I'm finna see how far it is from her house. It's 43 minutes. It's 43 minutes from her house. So, yes. No. Yes, guys. So, where we going? Wendy's? Okay, we're going to Wendy's. See y'all at Wendy's. Okay, y'all, I forgot we had to come in the liquor store. So, we finna go to the liquor store right quick. Some time. We going that go.
No.
Okay, so I actually don't know what I'm gonna get, but I think I'm gonna just get like, I slick was thinking like a pack of cut waters, and then, well, they got the 12 cut waters. What y'all think? What you think? Should I get like 4 cans of cut waters, 2 for B, 2 for my best friend, and then get like a little small bottle of Luna? I think I should do that. Or is that too much? I think so. Get pineapple, please. Pineapple. And then let's ask this man how much is the small Luna bottles. Could go down, but we ain't got money for that. Not this way. I think they're over there. How much is that small bottle of Luna? No, the one next to it. Yeah. Silver. Which one? How much is it? Oh. 14. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get that in this. Yeah.
2005.
Yeah.
Barely got it. Still birthday month going on?
Huh?
Birthday month going on?
Yeah.
Shit, 30.
Huh? Thank you. So
Thank
set.
you.
Receipt?
Nah. Thank
So
you.
one.
Here.
You already done spent the 60 bar. Another one. Shit, over.
What?
Yeah.
What he say?
Put it on the gas.
Yeah, we straight. Wait, we not good on the gas. But that's a little too much. Oh. Anyways, hey chat. Next stop, beauty supply store. Should've got my tripod. But
locked
it's
the door?
cool. Wait, is they even open? Yeah, they gotta be open. These are cute. Those are cute. Those are cute too. Okay, y'all, so we came in here to find a scarf.
You already know where they at?
Boy, you know how many times I done pinned anything? He don't know nothing about no beauty supply. Boom. So y'all think I should get this one? Just like a plain pink one? Or should I do like some cute shit like this? Wait. Oh, this is reversible. Never mind.
You don't want to go with your baby?
I was gonna see if I can find one like a pattern one, but pink. And from the looks of it, we can go bandana though. Or is that ghetto? They got these, some bows. This shirt is really cute. We're not here for clothes though. Oh, I should get something for church. Yes, big. Hold on. About $15.
Yeah. $15. $15.
Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna get. Oh, what's this? This is cute. $5. But what type of? This don't look like a scarf you would tie on your head though. What y'all think? Like this long ass scarf.
Shit, not really.
Hold on, let me try to switch out though. This is cute, but nah. So, should I do
All the colors you got on.
no? What? Okay, this is kind of cute, but it has gold in it. I didn't see these over here. Ooh. Like maybe like pink. This one you just showed me? Okay.
Okay, this one. This one.
What y'all think?
Cause this one got blue in it.
This one match better though. Put it over here. Babe, get in the camera. Put it against my bathing suit. Okay, that would match too. What colors we got in here? Only reason why I don't like this one because it has like the gold accents. No, I think I'm gonna just go with this one. This one's too nice. Okay, y'all. We're gonna go with this one. Ow! I just scratched my arm. Damn, they got a fan in here that's blowing like a motherfucker. I need some chapstick too. Hey. This too.
You want the receipt?
No. Thank you. Back to cures. I'm gonna put this on right as soon as we get in the car. Me and my boo thing ain't had enough. I love your stuff. What do you think?
They're finna fly.
If you stop moving. Okay.
You wanna kinda some air going in here?
I really should put it on in my best friend's house. What you think?
I think you should get some air going in here.
Yeah, we're gonna go to my best friend's house and we're going to go put it on over there. Hey chat, so we made it to the beach. What I drop? Oh, that cone. Okay, y'all, we finna slight set up on some shit. I need to get my tripod. I can hold y'all.
Well, while she doing that, so we are at Lake Altoona.
Lake Altoona? Lake Altoona?
This Lake Altoona?
Yeah.
Okay, we at. Fuck no. Yeah, Lake
Hello,
Altoona.
all these fucking, whatchamacallit, here, let me put it on. All these fucking bugs, y'all.
Fuck no.
Flies.
Okay. Hell nah. She gonna be grilling. The flies gonna be everywhere.
Right, we ain't got no type of off.
No off, no nothing.
No nothing, but it's cute out here.
Okay, period. He got a little kayak, a little canoe.
She got a little floaty. Okay.
Shit, well, we should wear a little floaty.
Right. Hell no, I ain't getting in that. I can't swim that good. You can swim?
I'm thinking.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in the water, but not all the way out there.
Yeah.
That white people shit, no shade.
You know how to fucking girl live that way.
Yeah. Man, finna see some ghetto shit. Finna be smoking, drinking, hey. And twerking.
Hello? Should we do the cleanest? Which one got the cleanest grill?
Yeah, or should we do that one over there? Or it's no, because
Nah,
it's
I don't think that
trees.
one. Yeah, that
Because
one.
it's 2 benches over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one got a little, I don't know.
Let's just see. Ew, flies everywhere. Heck no, not over here. Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah, it got hella flies over here. Let's see what those two back there talking about.
Yeah.
This one looks okay. What the fuck is on there? Napkins.
Okay, there's no flies in this one.
Okay.
As long as if they have like some type of aluminum or something.
Somewhat.
Aluminum. Like
Oh
foil,
yeah.
Aluminum foil, or maybe that one.
Which one over there?
That one.
Okay.
I need this one.
Okay. Period. We finna have fun. If y'all didn't see the fit, this is the fit. Let me put this up. She done dropped the cut water. Check that out. I'm looking for the hose. This is cute. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell y'all I went to my best friend's house and she had did my makeup, very tea. And I put the scarf on that I had got from the beauty supply store, but it's like a small scarf, so it's kind of out. Over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because it is flies over here. Just not like as many. And this one got like napkins and shit on top of the grill. Okay, let's... Is that them? Yeah, that is him. Hey!
They got floaties. Oh, you know that.
Yeah. Jessica came prepared.
Hello, prepare the fun. She said, all things you need for these.
Right, and we ain't bringing shit but a towel.
None but
We
that.
ain't even get the towels out the car. Oh, you got yours? I gotta get mine out of the trunk.
Is recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so let me show y'all the outfit of the day. This is OTD.
Period. Hey,
You know, Michael Kors. Oh, baby.
Y'all, it's been so long since I seen y'all.
No, for us, it's been
I've been
since
like
your
your-
birthday.
Literally. Shakari, where's your man?
He's in the car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we chose the cleanest one.
Yeah, this one. Oh, listen, you look cute.
Oh, yeah.
Period. Hey.
Yeah, we gonna be lit as fuck.
No, for real.
I'm ready.
Everybody like on the way, but
I just got some Wendy's.
Are you in the water?
yeah, hell yeah.
Fuck yes.
Perfect.
This is cute.
Okay, I'm gonna need y'all help though.
Okay.
We gotta set up the tent down there.
I don't like it though.
So
The curly.
I'm gonna need y'all help because it's a big tent. Alina
Alina look like a cowgirl.
Okay, look at her little shoes.
Yeah,
Period.
like she thinks she's
Can I have one?
Oh,
Let's go.
yeah.
Why you didn't bring your other hat? Your cowboy hat.
Y'all ain't bring black?
a bot.
Y'all bring them.
A bot.
Yeah, I got like this
I'm just
small
saying, no,
ass
it's okay.
bottle.
Wait, what?
Oh,
give
cup
me a
water.
shot.
Bacardi?
Give me a shot. Give me a shot. Throw it over here.
It's the lemon Bacardi. That's you know.
You want to Eddie too?
Yeah.
Alina always.
Right. Oh god.
Oh my god, the
it's
flies.
good,
Well, I got bugs friends.
The flies go
I'm not gonna lie,
crazy.
Jessica, I dropped the cup.
Okay, what's this?
You said what?
What cup?
What's it?
The red ones?
This mine.
I know who.
Hey, you gonna leave it?
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Put these keys in your bag. I don't want to.
This Tracy.
Okay.
Actually, I need them to get this shit out the car.
This on mine. It's cute. It's on y'all three?
Oh wait.
Everyone late. Everyone late.
They talking about hour away.
We got
Ty. That's a tattoo? Okay.
Yeah,
That's cute.
Yeah.
Ty.
We got 10.
Exactly. I'm not gonna lie, it's a whole bunch of bitches. Okay, take a little bit. Don't take a lot.
Okay.
Wait. Take about, let me show you. Take like this much. And Maya, you take the other half because it's strong as fuck. I'm not gonna lie.
Ew, what's the flavor? Y'all know I don't like.
good.
Y'all know I don't like these flavors.
No, it's good. It's not bad.
Taste good.
Fuck all these flies doing.
You can
Right, they just came out of nowhere.
I can't take a lot because you know me. Okay, I'm just gonna eat the whole thing then.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Let me see.
I gave her half.
Okay, yeah.
Good luck.
It's good luck.
Is that a tattoo?
Yeah, it's a henna one. But
Y'all thought it was wrong. Like, but be careful.
We are.
All right. Wait, you want to bite?
I already took a bite.
These goddamn right, because they was not right.
I'm gonna be doing the flat lean in a minute, bro.
I'm put it over here. They gave you a big ass piece. Shit.
Not for real. But shit.
Y'all, these flies going crazy.
You know what? They came out of nowhere. Exactly. It's like they know. Cut water.
Mine.
No, they be
Bro, y'all want some weed?
a napkin over it.
Wait, Alina.
Huh? Okay, I am.
I'm gonna just put this over here. Me too.
Why the fuck is it not connecting?
All right, I'll come here.
Okay, let's go help set up those tent. We got to the tent up. Okay,
Y'all, so they said that they just couldn't listen and set up the tent. Alina! Jessica said it's bug spray in that yellow bag. Y'all heard me? It's bug spray in that yellow bag. Bug spray in the yellow bag. Yes, bug spray. Okay, anyways. We finna help them set this tent up. I'm gonna help y'all.
Baby, on my phone and saying need me, baby. I'm so green, gotta teach me, baby. I'm that cool, you a PC, baby. Pull up, play back, beep, beep, baby. Put my shit in with the EC, baby. Swear my label kind of free, baby. You know I'm me just like some green tea, baby. Milliana, it's been so long since you texted me. I finally took a break and now I feel like I'm on ecstasy. You said what my word means to me will one day be the death of me. Try to kill me once.
They on the grill.
Shit.
They on the grill.
We trying to like that bitch. Before y'all say too much, it say just like the bag, my nigga. So don't even try and get on my ass.
On the grill.
Yo, this shit not lighting.
Well, I got some foil. Okay, wait. She got foil.
No,
bro.
foil is to cook it. Okay, hold on. There we go.
She need to
Wait,
put it on there.
You got
quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek.
motherfucker.
Quiet on the creek. Quiet on the creek. Quiet.
Hey. Hi.
Hey.
That small ass piece of foil.
Shit, that get that motherfucker lit.
Amaya, I'm thinking you got the foil. No, we need foil on top.
That's what I thought. I was finna light the foil up, bro.
Yeah. Well, gotta do it, guys.
I ain't got no foil.
You said you had to.
Oh shit.
I'm dead as fuck.
Okay,
Amaya with the.
Amaya with the.
Wait. Why y'all keeping it in the bag?
Because it says just like the bag. It's already pre.
Okay, I never seen that before.
Yeah.
Me either.
Maybe we should just lay this piece in there and let it light.
It was like.
Hey. Okay, totally.
Oh, there it goes.
Throw it in there.
Yeah.
Ah, damn.
It lost fire.
But that's part's on fire. Oh shit. Bitch, move this shit out the way, bro.
About to blow the fuck up.
I'm serious.
Okay, wait. Let me introduce you guys so we not just looking like strangers.
Hi,
Y'all. Okay, y'all can introduce yourselves.
I'm Alina.
Shakari.
Shakari. Alyssa. And Amaya.
Yeah.
I'm Ashanti.
Ashanti.
Kylie.
Yes.
Hi, y'all.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, y'all. As you can tell, we're a couple of shots in, so let's catch up.
This bitch is smoking.
Let's catch up.
Okay, who's gonna be on music?
Okay, that's good.
Wait, what happened?
Kayla got her big speaker. She just brought her big speaker. So I'm gonna say.
Oh, my bracelet keep getting stuck. Take that shit off.
I don't know
The bracelet or the thing?
Damn,
I got it.
I got some.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
Okay, Amaya.
Yeah, go ahead.
She doing her shit.
I'm gonna lay in the water for a second.
No, for real.
I hear the.
No, but it's like you don't even have no food out.
Yeah, like y'all just got to.
Hey!
It was fire.
It was fire.
Get out. Okay.
Get out.
Area cleared it.
Nah, I just did that though.
She sure did.
You got a spatula?
Didn't sound like me.
Uh-oh.
I'm dead as fuck.
Oh, did you bring a spatula? Yes. Come on. We got some plastic forks.
Yo, my hair done. I'm sweating. Hair done.
She has a dream and some hope.
Okay, I'm on a balanced diet right now. Like, y'all gotta relax.
That's my name.
Y'all got to relax.
Oh, we're all burnt out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's kicking in. I feel like I'm overly loud, so I'm gonna just be quiet.
Well, you loud, but like I say, like you loud.
Wait, no, leave it alone. We gotta set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Because it gotta cool down before we put things on it. But it's good because it's heating up the
Y'all, I only brought
the
one
paper
bag.
gone.
I only brought one bag, so we cooking all the burgers and that shit. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know.
That's fine.
We gotta.
Let's see if we can improvise. What if you cook on top of one of these?
Oh, someone brought aluminum foil. Am I? Didn't you say you had some?
No.
No, like she brought that to burn it up. Oh, y'all, it's a deer.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's a deer.
It's a deer.
Someone could be like Snow White, go
I
pet
can
it.
get in the water right now.
Yeah. You want to volunteer yourself?
I'm letting like the deer off. What's it called? What's that movie called? Grown Ups.
Grown up. Oh.
That's gonna be me.
Oh,
You know,
What happened?
When
the fire goes down a little bit, we can cook on this.
Oh, y'all smart. Okay. That's smart.
Women in STEM. Do y'all
Women
see
in
this?
STEM,
Like,
for real.
women in STEM. Like, let's go.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm in business management. I'm not into this.
But wait, let's do it.
Yeah, it
Civil fire.
More
needs to
econ.
be more smoky.
I'm an econ.
Get fire.
So how long do you think it's gonna last? The fire.
Well, we gotta wait for it to cool down for 15 minutes.
And then it's gonna last a while because the charcoal's gonna go.
right. I'm drunk.
Let me call my dad and ask.
I just watch my dad. We finna watch a YouTube tutorial how to grill real quick.
Go to TikTok. Y'all know.
Go on TikTok.
Oh, Jessica.
Oh, you at the right place, Bookie
I
Butt.
think we put something off right now.
Okay, yeah.
over there. You are? Yeah.
Later.
Jessica, do we have to start the car up to blow up the stuff?
Yeah, hold on, let me get the key.
Okay, vlog.
I say I keep it.
They all in the lake. They all in the lake. He been chilling. Okay, y'all see Jessica. Ooh, body tea. Body what? You gonna go get my tripod? It's on the towel. Y'all, he tired of me. But oh well.
Watch your sister, bro. Look at fuck the shoe. Look the fuck I.
That's
bro,
I know, bro. My hair's wet. Cool.
I know, bro. I got all these bitches looking at me. Bitch, you got me fucked up, bitch. Open.
She said the keys in the yellow bag. The yellow bag. Come on, guys.
Bro.
Y'all, late day gone wrong. Because hold on, yes, y'all, late day gone wrong. This nigga's high son done flip these bitches over.
Bro, I got the other POV.
Like, this is not fucking.
You gotta insert the other POV.
Yeah, send that to me. I gotta insert it.
Whole time.
But no, y'all, he literally fucking, like, bro, when girls like to come to the beach, pool, whatever, water, any type of thing, we like to come cute. Why the fuck would he just dump Alyssa and Amaya in the fucking pool, bro?
I'm thinking, oh, they having a jolly time.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Me too. Me too.
I'm lucky for you. Look, I can't even use her. Oh, this is the keys and what?
Oh my god, the bugs. Yellow bag, yellow bag.
It's bad, bro.
Like, why the fuck would he just do that shit? Like we got on makeup.
No, those are mine. These came out of just today.
You know by pulling up, invented trucks, make these bitches fall
What
in
the
love.
fuck is
Okay, guys.
Vibes?
None of my niggas
I don't know.
all of my niggas gon' smoke.
We still chilling at the beach.
What?
Everybody in the water. Well, not everybody.
It is, bro. I'm gonna sit just
We sitting down.
Huh?
I'm talking about vlog. We just gonna set y'all up.
abort, bro. I forgot, dude. I damn forgot,
I got my
bro.
hood in control. I got my left wrist on froze. I got my right wrist on froze. I got my necklace on froze. Both of my heels on froze. I been getting paid and I'm sipping on maple. If she gon' fuck, I won't make her. I don't like bitches won't make her.
They took somebody else's car, huh? Just to go to the liquor store.
Dang, where's the liquor store? How far? Cause I ain't see no liquor store on the way here.
Hello? Hey, Layla?
I just bought me some new water.
Yeah, you hear?
She done hit the curve.
I made her promise my niggas
Her
don't
shit
walk.
fucked up. Wait, hold on, I can't hear you. You hear?
Is that her in the car?
Wait, where? I don't know. Where you at? Let me see where you at.
Huh?
Who's that? It's Layla. That's that Layla? Yeah.
All I gotta make is one call. Get a nigga
You hear Layla?
No, I gotta make my fault.
You're connected. Wait, I'm gonna speak her. Pull your
Oh, that's what's her name?
I went to middle school with her. What's her name?
No.
Sharif? That's her name? Yeah. It's flies everywhere. Like, what's going on? It's fly infested.
I ain't no killer, no pussy. I see how you niggas be looking. I hope you don't think you no bully.
Where's my phone?
Plug it behind me.
Why am I saying?
They trying to guess what I'm doing. They trying to guess what I'm doing. They ain't even they.
Where's my phone? It's on. You threw it on the under the towel, under the orange towel, pink towel. I'm gonna send my location to you.
I feel like the biggest.
It's not under there. Oh,
I feel like the biggest. So yeah.
it's not lighting over here.
Bro. Yeah, for real. I had my location here, but I forgot how.
Sit down.
Get my phone.
Oh, you want to stand up?
Let
me take some more pictures. BRB.
You are my sun.
Ciao.
You are my first.
It's no lighting.
Bro, we're fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. We're fucked up.
But I bet you didn't think that they would come crashing down. No.
Ciao. We're waiting on Amaya and Alyssa. They trying to put on lotion. Bro, they trying me, bro. Yeah, I gotta get out. I gotta get out this sun. We gotta get out this sun. It's hot as heck. We finna turn up at the bench. Ooh, it's bugs overly. But it's okay. I'm gonna sit over there. So you wanna play a song? Bro, I need to record on somebody's phone. My phone's connected to off. You can record on my phone. I bet.
I know that they say there's some things out there left unsaid.
Oh, listen, call
I look good.
Strawberry. Oh, you want to bring some?
Hey.
Strawberry.
You want to bring
some,
shaking your leg, I be like, whoa, I like it. All the way you made it clap, I got excited. All around and round around, so baby, won't you try it? Whoa, 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 whoa. She's shining at it. She's shining at it.
I
like what you're doing, baby girl, don't stop it. Just keep it.
What's the twerk song? No hands. Give me a song. No hands.
Yeah, no hands.
Who phone I'm recording on?
Listen to the track, bitch.
Bow. You all? Okay. Oh, shit. Hurry up. Okay.
Okay. You can turn around, Lena. Flip the kid. No. No, we gotta restart.
Oh, I got it, I got it. I swear.
Okay, yeah, like that.
Ladies, this your jam.
But I record on my phone too.
I'ma throw this money while you do
Here.
Hey, y'all into the flow. What?
Oh, y'all fucking it up. I can't lie.
When she walks, she gets this. Rockin' on a yellow ball. DJ, this my favorite song, so I'ma make it thunderstorm. Want it, block her out. Throw it, fuck it, I don't care. Justin's flying everywhere. Have my partner Roscoe like, bro, I don't drink it, hell. Can't you tell? Who 75 that fit this step so fucking well. I'm trying to hit a hotel with two girls that swallow. Swallow, hey, Moscato, got no breezy. Hey, you got me in the trance.
Oh, hey, hey, hey.
Got me in the trance. DJ, turn me up. Ladies, this your jam. I'ma sip my saddle. You gon'
Hold on, let me get close to the screen.
do it with no hands.
Stop it.
All I wanna do is sit back and watch your mother sit along his ass. She said, look, my no hands and no dollar. I don't dance and I'm with Roscoe, I'm with Rocker. I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad motherfucker. Going at some motherfuckers and they handsome motherfuckers. Sling that wood.
I see. And who you get? Your name?
And I can all day. My eyes on I've been waiting all night for this moment.
Alright, we good.
I've been waiting all year for this moment. I've been picturing you taking off the clothes from me. I've been literally curving all these swords for you. Daddy told you better bring your ass on. Cinderella better get your ass on. Man, I swear the parents, they don't understand. You ain't gotta be old to be a man.
Take my hand. Come with me to my room,
Girl, I got
They just a burger, they ate it.
Yeah,
What happened?
it's for right here.
So no one cooking up for
my
me.
hand. Follow me.
Shit. I'm dead as well. Here, put it right here so we can see everybody.
Don't be all
Let it cook these.
That's not, baby. That's not. Is that cooked?
Well, is that all?
No, that's not cooked.
Close it.
That is not cooked.
Shit. Oh, Jessica drove us.
That's cooked.
I think so.
No, that is not cooked.
It's like it looks like school patties.
No shade.
So
patties.
We could have eaten it. There's more in there.
Right, but what if they come back and be like,
But what if it's not cooked?
That's scary.
It do kind of cook. It's like she put the seasoning on top. Yeah, so it's like, and then they went to liquor store before they ate. So right.
Oh, it do. Fuck your ass! I'm
Man, I'm call that bitch.
I'm gonna eat it.
I'm finna call her, bro. Give me a bag of chips.
Yeah.
Which one?
Like in the box? On the box
right here. If it's hot fries in there,
Hot fries or you
shit.
shit.
Or
We got drunk.
ow, my coochie. Oh, we taking a shot?
Stop. Girl, I gotta see that.
You drunk too, bro.
Well, let me see your phone. Let me put the
know
music.
you got expensive
They
check.
got, what you want?
Take my hand. Follow me.
Like, why? I suggest don't get all hot. She got all hot.
Listen to this.
She got hot.
Hold on, y'all want to do the dance? I know it.
DJ, turn me up. Ladies, this your jam. I'ma sip my scotto. You gon' lose them fans. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. All I wanna do is sit back and watch your mother love.
Bro, Maya gang, you're crazy.
Long as she don't care when she wants she get yellow bone. DJ, this my favorite song, so I'ma make it thunderstorm. Boy, want it, block it out. Throw it, fuck it, I don't care. Jess is flying everywhere.
I'm trying to think of a song.
Bro, you right about that.
Bro, come, bro.
Give me that one, dog. That. Let's touch foreheads.
Bro, what the fuck?
We're the drunkest, the funniest, and the latest.
On God, like what?
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Like the fuck,
Bro, y'all are so come on, let's just eat. Yeah, fuck it.
Wait, what we finna eat? Like what?
Come on, you right there, bro.
Yeah, call Jessica.
Yeah, just
Everybody grab
Grace
bag
it, bro. Grace it, bro.
I got some water here.
Where's Freya? Okay, Layla's 10 minutes. Bro, she said she's 10 minutes ago, right?
Yeah.
It was 10 minutes.
But then y'all asked for some pizza.
Hey, yo, can we eat this burger?
Yeah, you can have it.
Where you at, bro?
So we can cook.
You said what?
Wait, take me one.
Baby,
Where you at, bro?
It's only 4. You only cook 4 burgers. It's me, Shakari, Amaya, and Alina.
Look, y'all wanna go half these? Cause I need one.
I'll go have
Bro,
with her.
you should have got one when you. First of all,
I'll go have with her. I'll go have with her.
you left it. Okay, so you didn't cook the rest, so now the shit is over. So we only got 4. Okay, hang up. Oh, I'm just saying, like, girl, you left mid cook, mid chef.
I'll split half
Are they
with
having
her.
hot dogs?
I'll split half with her.
Yeah,
I'll split
she
half with her.
said.
Y'all can eat a whole burger. I'll split half.
Bro, that's what I'm saying though. But like, girl, you left mid chef. You trying to get liquor? You didn't finish the food though.
Why we can't eat off of empty stomach or something? But I ate. But like, you know, we gonna be hungry when we drunk.
Is there more shit? Like,
It is. She bought hella hot dogs, but she
And
left
there's more
some, and
burgers
she
in
only
there,
got
too.
1 bag of cold.
so they have to
Eat this, y'all. Don't worry
How they
about
gonna cook it?
Don't worry about it. Don't
They
worry
can't
about it.
cook it.
Right.
Yeah, because they ain't got no more fire.
I was trying to dump the coal out a little bit and then it just like burn like that. But like, no, you're supposed to cook the whole bag, I guess.
Or she should let us do it, and this shit would have been done.
Yeah.
And broke well, these niggas catch you chasing, then they turn around and go to tell. Nigga, fuck 12. Cause APD do me wrong way. Nigga, free Pee Wee long way. Nigga, free Pee Wee long way. I'ma say it twice, I swear to God, I hope I'd shot this BAK. Nigga, these Rico get passed out like a turn hold out here in the A. These other rap niggas ain't somebody that fucking alleys away. I put hoes in my team, it's a whole lot of jail lady. Nigga, it's a whole lot of jail lady. Nigga, know I'm
Elena got the headphones on.
be like academic.
I think you got the headphones on.
Let me get my shit together.
What? The bugs?
Hold on, I'm just to get my neck and wrist together. Hold on, let get wrist together.
Yo, we just chilling at the beach last night.
My new bitch getting along.
Chilling.
My bitch together.
Listening to some music, just straight on vibe.
Started this shit at the bottom. Nigga, I climbed up out the gutter. You gotta find that shit off the smell. Nigga, you know way about the color. I don't fuck the game so long, your nigga don't came up out the rubber. Nigga, hold on. That's that motherfucker. I'm gonna make some shake. I'll show you how to turn on the song. I got rested up for a rainy day. It ain't always sunny. Give a fuck about your attitude. Go get you some money. Nigga, love you when you're fucked up. Hate to see you. Go get to it. Every time I pop, I make her hate.
Yo, this scarf keep coming up. Like, what's tea? Just stay down for me, babe.
I be hot people out my feelings. Mr. Cole with cheese.
Hustling mug.
I'm gonna make some shake. I'll show you how to turn on the song.
Girl, look at the camera.
It ain't always sunny. Give a fuck about your attitude. Go get you some money. Nigga, love you when you're fucked up.
Everybody in the lake, everybody in the pool, whatever y'all want to call it, you know. These people over there, these people over there. Do you remember how you sitting in the sun? I don't fucking know, bro. It wasn't out. Hey,
What song is it?
this that baby you love me like I do, baby you love me like you say you do, baby if you love me then you take a shroom. Hey, I can't sit in the sun. I'm covering you.
No, you're not. My face hurts.
I need someone I can love on. I need someone I can love on.
Oh, she got some pizza.
Let's go over there.
Need that.
Jessica!
This is my fault.
Hold on, let me set it up. Wait, hold on.
My name? No. That's my name. Jose. I just oh wait, let me get it.
What the fuck?
Drink that. You gotta drink that.
I'm here.
Get in the camera.
Yeah, it's cool. Get in.
I got her tender, huh?
Trying to get drunk. How you feel?
I'm about to get there. I'm gotta get there.
I told you. Yeah, you got after that. How you feel? I feel drunk. I feel all type of shit. Like, yeah. Bro, why you doing so fast? How we feel? How we feel? Bro, I'm dead as fuck.
That was my fucking
Get in camera. These slides. Yes, I did. I put off on when I first got here. Where's my phone? I don't have it. Y'all, we just chilling, like, just straight guys. We on running through water.
Pick up my lighter.
What, they finna go to the beach?
Yeah, right to the water.
Record. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Get the phone. You gotta get up. Shikari coming too.
Wait, are we all getting in the water?
To the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm coming.
Wait, y'all.
No. Let's not be irrational, okay?
Hold on. You gotta light that, boo. You gotta light that.
We can get in the water.
Pull up in that motherfucker. Man, Bobo in this motherfucker touching what you first I know she wanna fuck me. Make her moan. Get that kiss it out of then I swear yours? Wipe me down. Bitch, I got that what that get your pop and leave your phone. I just came through. I just came through. Like Bruce don't tell me nothing. I come never. Roll that toss up bench truck. Got my FN in tuck. Mention Casa High School. About time I turn my kids up. I think up. Don't give a fuck. Heard I bought this friend up. Go ask about me. I'm dying. I stick it, lick it, chin up. Let the bitch try to stick it, take it shit. Beat out.
Mr. Chandler.
Nigga trolling out y'all.
Try in the water.
Put this bitch up phone. Bring
I need to take a shot.
He gon' roll on me.
No, that's because I didn't see yours. You saw mine, I didn't see yours.
Nigga. Oh, 13 million James. She had to me.
Can you open it?
For Gucci rings. He got next wild.
Yeah, we don't got nothing.
Some of my cup.
I'm out.
But I got my nails.
Yeah, you gotta get
that I said this bitch be fake. Fuck that bitch, nigga can't act like that. They just see me and I just put up in that motherfucking. Man, Bobo and his motherfucker catching what you.
No.
First I know she wanna fuck.
Don't even worry about it.
They come on. This they kiss it out and pop out walk his ass down. Then I swear that let it wipe me down. Bitch, I got that guap that get you popped and leave your phone. I just came through.
Oh, okay.
I got money. I just
You got great juice working everywhere.
Open
what?
when you see me. Tell my stylist that I'm
You gave it to Trey. Looks good.
Right. And you spraying great juice. Give me my shit.
It's juke now.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, I didn't need that. You didn't take one.
Gonna come home and I'm gonna throw it out this cell phone. Cause we got my blood on. Control this bitch from outer space ain't been that so long. So long.
Why they go open?
Boy got that working all day long and getting his work on. Fucking day impeachment. You know, Benedict Nietzsche. You know, Bowie play with Pose. He make my bed for Rican. I got beat out shaking out the
frozen.
Bitch, I'm real American made. One with charges like Vin Diesel. Bitch, I come from metal. Diamonds all on me like some measles. Can't pull up on me, I'm BP up and I leave them. I put up in that grave digger with that season. I've been showing my
Update, wig came off. She done took the wig off. Took the wig off, boo. Update, we still at the lake beach. Hair looking like Tyler. Make me sweat. Make me wanna.
It's not hot. Yeah, exactly. It's not hot no more.
Hair wet as fuck. But hey, let's go see. We finna go see if they got something on this grill because it's seeming like everybody's saying they got something on the grill. They said, people are saying that they got stuff on the grill. We finna see ourselves. Cause I need me a good hot dog. What you need, Alyssa?
I want whatever they got.
Yeah, honestly. Yeah, it's no good lighting right here. The sun is like that way, as y'all can see. So, we walking to the little setup over here.
Take you by the hand and bring you some of what it's saying. Soon after we landed, we were straight into the room and played the music, started dancing. You was taking off your pants, it looked like Dorothy and Kansas anymore. I do you like a chore. We started on the bed and then we moving to the floor. We started getting crazy.
Jessica!
Is that rolling?
What rolling?
The camera.
Oh, the camera is rolling.
Y'all, it's Shakari and Jess.
Right. Let's take a seat.
It's been a minute since I seen my bitch, but you know what? It's okay because she badder than ever. Do y'all see this? But as their respect, I could fall over.
Yeah, I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
Our phone died, Jess.
I love your nigga.
I can't hear you.
Why the fuck you scratching out my mouth?
Jessica!
Mind you,
I just realized.
can I have that back?
The